Hello students, let's read the problem. And it says, what is the range of the following graph? So I'm looking for the range, okay? So if I'm looking for range, I want you to identify what is that gonna deal with. Is that gonna go with x-axis or y-axis? And the answer is it's gonna have to do with the y-axis, right? So what we're gonna decide now also is what exactly do they mean by range? So range, it's all the possible values for the output, okay? And the output, of course, is my y values, okay? So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna build a fence. Remember, that's kind of like the concept that we're trying to emphasize. So the fence now is gonna be different. It's not gonna go up and down because I don't wanna cross the x, I wanna cross the y. In order for me to cross the y, I need to build a fence that is horizontal. So I'm gonna go to the very top and notice how that's my fence on the top. Is that right? And if you look at the number that the fence is kind of crossing through, it's the +9. So I'm going to write down the 9 right here. And it's touching the 9, right? So it's including the 9. Okay? So make sure that we remember that. Now, if it's including the 9, then I can choose either one of these two symbols. Okay? Because remember, 9 is included, then the equal sign needs to be there. I'm going to build another fence, but this fence is going to be on the bottom. So notice that my fence now is actually touching the -2. So I'm going to write down -2. And again, -2 and +9 are on the y-axis, which I'm about to highlight for you. So look, the numbers that I'm going to be including are going to be all the numbers higher than a -2, which means greater than a -2, but lower or less than a +9. Okay, now notice how also the -2, it's across the circle that is not shaded. Therefore, for the -2, I can choose only any of these two symbols. Why? Because that circle is not shaded. Okay, so my range goes from less than 9 but greater than -2. So if you look at the answer choices, the one that matches that, it's my answer choice, C for that. We can actually write down a statement for that, for the answer. So we can say something that implies range is, and we're going to compare it to the 9. So range is less than or equal to 9. Is that right? So range is less than or equals to 9, but it's greater than -2. Okay? So that is my statement letter C for that.